How to delete PhonePe transaction history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your PhonePe transaction history. So first of all you have to do is just simply come to your Google Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply install the PhonePe application in your mobile device and simply open it, and just log into your account if you have your PhonePe account with you, and after that just simply log into your PhonePe account and use your Touch ID to open the app. And once you're there in your application, just simply click on the history section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and over here you will be able to see the list of the transaction that you have made in the past. So in order to delete the history, all you have to do is just click on the transaction that you have made, and there is no such option to delete the transaction history that you have made. And even if you Google this particular query, whether you will be able to delete the transaction history of your PhonePe account or not, it says that you can't directly delete your PhonePe transaction history due to RBI regulations. So RBI says that you can't directly delete your transaction history, but if you still want to delete it, all you have to do is just simply open that particular transaction. Just simply click on contact PhonePe support, and when you reach there, you have to raise a ticket in order to get your query to be solved. And after that, just simply talk to the PhonePe customer support and tell them that you would want to delete this particular history from your account, and they will reach out to you and help you regarding deleting that particular history that you have created. So this is basically how you will be able to delete PhonePe transaction history. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.